Welcome back, everybody. Now, if you've been watching the RV industry over the last couple of years, you've noticed the prices on brand new travel trailers going through the roof. Now, Cherokee has been listening to all of these concerns, and they've come out with a brand new model for 2023, the Wolf Pup 25JB. Now, this is the first tandem axle with a slide-out Wolf Pup in the series, and this thing is priced like a competitor's trailer without a slide. Let's take a look around and see what makes this thing different. Now, this is a tandem axle bunkhouse with a slide. As we can see, as we go around the other side, got a nice deep slide out. Huge, brand new mirrored windows this year. Nice touch for reflecting all of the sunlight from entering inside your camper. Outside shower. Now, they've still got the luggage rack and cargo rack on the back of the unit. Check this out. Great big storage door that goes into the bunk beds. Now, that's a ton of storage by itself, but this actually lifts up and straps out of the way, so you can actually put bicycles, grills, chairs, all your camping gear right there inside the camper. Nice door on that. Electric awning, great big windows, outside speakers, outside TV hookup, solid steps. Now, when we come inside, this is where, for the money, you can't beat it. You've got a queen walk-around bed in the front with plenty of storage. If we swing around, entertainment center, huge U-shaped dinette in the slide-out with a sleeper sofa across. Nice sized kitchen, fully equipped, full-size double door fridge and freezer. You want storage, there's some storage. Bunk beds across the back. Those are both double size, so you can sleep 2 people on each of those. And a full bathroom with a great big shower. So at a price point where you would normally, over these past 2 years, just be getting a 25 foot trailer with no slide out, you can upgrade, get you a great big trailer with a slide, plenty of living area, private master bedroom, solar package, Bluetooth system. Truly a great camper at 25 feet, 5,200 pounds. Make sure you come check it out.